Hi there, this is a test of the ankle joint. I wrote a small program in Python to control the motors with the keyboard and for debugging. The ankle is controlled by two motors and is intended to provide a human-like range of motion. Originally, the motors were intended for a different mechanism, however, they are a bit slow due to the many changes. In this case, only one motor is controlled by the keys directly and the other one is just following. I'm using time-of-flight sensors to check the actual position of the actuators. It still needs some debugging, but with this, I can control the movements with the covers and skin on. Thanks to the time-of-flight sensors, there's no need for end stops, but the downside is they have some inaccuracy. For now, I just filter it out and the reaction seems a bit slow. Probably in the future, I will just feed the position instead of just turning the motor on and off with the key. However, I have already thought about whether I should revise the ankle again because I'm still looking for better ways to move the toes. The next steps will be to wire the whole leg and extend the Python program to control all motors of the leg at once. After that, I want to overwork some parts of the feet. Then I finally will release version 0.5 of the Android project. Until then, thanks for your attention, and I hope to see you soon.